One of the most common issues I see coming up with car accident cases is that clients may feel uncomfortable or hurt right after the accident and minimize what's going on and maybe wait a while before seeing their own doctor or seeing a lawyer to consult on what they should do. There's nothing worse than having a situation where the client just has a knee problem and it'll get better, it'll get better. It gets worse. And then all of a sudden you're 3 months, 6 months down the line and you haven't consulted a doctor, you haven't consulted a lawyer. That really sort of affects your ability to prosecute a case. And I always tell clients, listen, if you get into an accident, regardless, consult a lawyer to see what your rights are. Sometimes the best conversations I have with clients are, no, the car's really damaged, I'm fine. Good for you. You don't have a case, monitor it in case something happens. The other thing that I see very common today is that people are on social media nonstop. And I have clients who, first thing we tell them, stop posting on social media about your life, because there's nothing that the defense lawyers don't love to do is go into your social media because it's readily available to the public, and all of a sudden take snippets out of your social media and use it to minimize your recovery, saying, well, they posted they were here, they were on vacation there. And I know that on social media, we put our best lives forward and kind of hide the sort of uncomfortable spots, like when you're feeling bad. You don't put on social media when you have trouble getting out of bed in the morning. So we always advise clients, be careful with social media, always consult a lawyer right away. And sometimes people come to us with cases, let's say for medical malpractice, where, you know what, we looked at it, there's no deviation, but why did you go to the doctor in the first place? Well, I had a fall at work. Well, you have a workers' compensation claim. Or yeah, I had a fall down at the restaurant. Well, you may have a premises case. So I love talking to people, and I always tell them, listen, if I'm your lawyer for a personal injury case, I'm your lawyer forever. Call me on anything. Even if I don't handle divorce, even if I don't handle property, I could put you in the hands of somebody that I trust, that I know what they're doing, to help you out with any sort of future legal problem you have.